Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your skincare lover. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of skincare related videos and product reviews and recommendations. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to say about something which almost every person will face a problem with. So yes, I'm going to say about the dark circles and how to treat them. This was asked by my friend to do a video on how to treat dark circles. I hope this will be helpful to everyone who is watching this video. First of all, what are dark circles and why are they caused? Dark circles are dark shadow rings formed under your eyes or around your eyes. This will make you look dull and aged. Many people will have problem with those dark circles. To treat them, we need to know the root causes or why these dark circles are actually formed. First of all, the skin under your eyes is very thin and it needs to be treated carefully. The reasons for the cause of dark circles are: first one, it is lack of sleep. Second, it is lack of proper sun protection. And third, rubbing your eyes hardly. And fourth, it is genetic reason. And fifth, scratching your eyes. Sixth, it's allergies or health problems. And next, it is improper diet and lack of hydration, and it may also cause you to deficiency of iron. So I'm going to explain every cause and how to reduce these dark circles. The first reason is lack of sleep. If you have to beauty sleep to get that healthy glow on your skin, sleep is one of those activities where you are relaxing your mind, your body, and giving time for yourself to heal. Nowadays people are reducing their sleep timings. Always try to sleep for at least 8 hours or minimum 7 hours of deep sleep. And if you are someone who sleeps for 6 hours or less than that, please try to increase your sleeping period and don't see the mobile or computer screens at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before you sleep. This way you will be able to reduce the dark circles caused by the lack of sleep. And the next reason is lack of proper sun protection. As I always say, skin near our eyes is very thin, so we should always protect it. As you protect your face and body with a sunscreen, in the similar manner, do protect your eyes. Apply a good sunscreen which is not harmful to your eyes, and look at the ingredients which are not irritating. Okay, I recommend using fragrance-free products and physical sunscreens near your eyes. In this way, your skin under your eyes is always protected. And don't forget to reapply it for every 2 to 3 hours. And the third reason is rubbing your eyes hardly. Many people have a habit of rubbing their eyes mostly during their sleeping times. So when you rub your eyes hardly, it is going to pull the delicate skin around your eyes. That thin skin around your eyes is going to be loose, and it will lose its elasticity, and it also damages the thin blood vessels inside your skin, causing them to appear purple or greenish colored dark circles. It will also lead to sagging of skin around your eyes and causes wrinkles, and it will lead to an aging look. You will look more aged than your actual age was. So don't rub your eye harshly. Always use your ring finger to apply eye products so that minimum force is put on your eyes. And the fourth reason is genetics. And for this reason we can't do anything when your dark circles are related to genetics. Only complicated surgeries will help there. And the fifth reason is scratching your eyes. Many people, whenever they have some eye irritation due to pollution or lack of sleep, their eyes tends to itch. So they just scratch and rub their eyes so harshly. Don't do such things for your eyes. The blood vessels will get damaged and your skin is going to cry. So don't do such harsh things for your eyes. If you have dust allergy or irritation due to pollution, please consult a doctor or a physician for solution. And for cleaning your eyes, I recommend you use eye wash cups and sleep for 8 hours. You will definitely see the reduction in dark circles around your eyes. And the next reason is allergies or health problems. If you have allergies, then you may consult a doctor for solution. And people who are weak after having a health problem like fever or any other medical complication, they tend to have dark circles. For such dark circles, the only way to reduce them is to improve your health and recover fastly. And the next reason is improper diet. People who don't eat healthy are always prone to unhealthy and dull appearing skin. The only way to reduce such dark circles is to add healthy fruits and vegetables to your menu. And another reason is lack of hydration, both inside and outside. You have to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water or even more a day to keep yourself hydrated from inside. And if you have dry skin, you should apply some hydration topically. That means you have to use a good eye cream with good humectants, and it should be soothing and moisturizing your skin under your eyes very well. And don't use heavy creams under your eyes, because they are just going to cause milia or small bumps under your eyes, and they are of no use. Use light moisturizer for your under eyes. And the next reason is iron deficiency or anemia. People with iron deficiency or anemia will have dilated blood vessels, and their veins will be more visible, causing the under eye area to be dark in color. So try to improve your iron levels by eating good food. So finally, always protect your eyes and moisturize them well. And if you want quick healing, you can try vitamin C serum under your eyes and use rollers to massage your skin under your eyes. And it's like a tip. So always remove all the eye makeup, your mascara, your eyeshadows, your eyebrow, these all things. Please remove everything very well before you sleep. And so I hope this video to be helpful for you all. If you want me to make any reviews or any suggestions, please comment it down below so that I will make you a video on that. And thank you for spending your valuable time with me. If you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me.